I'm Christopher Vincent Armate, order to cash.
I'm Benjian C. Gutierrez, order to cash.
Good afternoon, Mitch.
Good afternoon, Vince.
Well, I have a very interesting question for you today. I know it sounds crazy, but do you scream?
Huh? Of course I do.
And may I ask you when?
Perhaps when I get surprises. Why do you ask?
Surprises. Right. You know, people tend to scream when they are in pain, when they are in fear, or it can also be when they feel great excitement. And in O2C, we'd always rather be the excited one.
I now understand where we are going, Vince, and I do agree. In O2C, we scream about endless possibilities, especially when we have new and exciting ideas that could change our process for the best forever.
Interesting because not only that we literally scream over newfound ideas, but we actually gave scream its own meaning when it comes to order to cash process.
So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, it is with high honor and great pride that we present to you Project Scream.
Systematic customer reconciliation account monitoring.
Scream is a tool developed by Order to Cash team to give ease to everyone doing customer open items monitoring, or what we call COI. For everyone's consumption, COI is the process of doing quality checks with our customer accounts. We check if there are unapplied payments that can now be allocated, invoices or credit notes that can now be cleared, or items with small amount that can now be written off.
When doing COI, we actually have four major steps: extraction, analysis, distribution, and clearing. During extraction, we, the O2C processors, are manually extracting almost 554,000 customer line items from SAP. These line items will now be subject to analysis, which is the second step in doing COI. So during this analysis stage, we are spending 1,400 hours per month just by identifying the correct customers that will be subject for clearing. Why is that? Because there are certain customers and parameters that needs to be removed and considered from that extracted data. And when you are doing these things, Mitch, you really have to be mindful or else you'll commit mistakes. Third one is the distribution. After we analyze and identify correct customers for clearing, it will now be distributed to the processors. Simple as that. And lastly, we have clearing. In layman's term, it is the process of removing items already from the customer accounts. And we've extracted 74,000 customers that might be subject for clearing. Imagine, we are spending 1,400 hours per month just analyzing COI, and we are doing it all manually. I have to emphasize that.
How tedious, Vince.
Exactly.
But now we can scream out of excitement because by the use of this tool, we were able to automate 3 steps of COI, which are extraction, analysis, and distribution. When you use Scream, all you have to do is open this macro file, do some clicks, and it will automatically extract data from SAP, analyze the items to be included in the clearing, and will send an Outlook email to the processors with a fair share of distribution.
Again, that's 3 out of 4 steps automated.
That's correct, Vince, which means that the tool's qualitative benefits are also tremendous. By being disorganized, now it is structured. By being complex, now it is simplified. And by having this slow manual intervention, which is also prone to error, now it has been automated, meaning fast and error-free.
Wow, now I really want to scream. By using this tool to its full potential months from now, we will be able to minimize monitoring of that 554,000 daily customer line items. And so, from 1,400 hours per month or 10 FTEs that we spend in doing COI, it will go down to 833 hours per month or just 6 FTEs. Mitch, that's a total of 40% time reduction or 4 FTE savings. Now let me tell you this. The quantitative benefits of Scream not only equates to these numbers that should have been done manually or supposedly are saved by using this tool, it actually goes beyond. You know why?
I would love to hear that.
If you will not use this tool, there is a greater chance that people doing COI manually will commit mistakes. It is self-explanatory because people are susceptible to fatigue, illness, confusion, stress, and everything that is associated with human error. And once you commit a mistake, you know, Mensch, that you have to compromise that by investing lots of time, investigating where you went wrong, reversing the entries, and doing correction. Time that could have been used to think of more innovations. Time is that precious.
Aside from the fact that if the customers, for instance, see their accounts in error, they might lose their trust and confidence in us. Customer satisfaction means cannot be compromised.
Never. So by using this tool, if I may reiterate, saves our people time. Time that we can use for more value-adding activities. It actually builds trust. The very competence that our company always wants us to bring along with our brand. And of course, it provides customer satisfaction, which is actually equivalent to the value of the company as a whole because our customers are the very lifeblood of our business.
Right, Vince? And so it is actually great that in O2C, all countries needs to do COI. Therefore, Scream is applicable for all.
Implementation of Scream started last August. It's been very effective and continues to be so promising.
Yes, Vince, and that is why we are not stopping with where we are right now. Actually, this November, there's already an ongoing discussion with our COE automation team. Target is that by January 2020, all 4 steps of COI will be automated either via script or robotics.
Very well.
We can only say so much about the great work that Scream tool offered to O2C. We really appreciate very much this tool because COI is not just an ordinary key performance indicator in our process. It means a lot. It means that you attend to the customer statements and you are making sure that they are correct and updated.
That's why in O2C, the more COI items that we need to process, the more we scream.